दिनकर वेदाया अज दा दिहाड़ा सखियो सुच शगना दा जाया आओ रज के श्रृंगार करिए मेहंदी बिंदी वंगा नमिया पाके मांग।
First thing first, I'm going to be applying lip balm. For that, I'm using the Biotic Biofruit lip balm. This has really been helping me with the pigmentation, guys, so I've been really enjoying using it, and it's very, very affordable as well. You can definitely check it out. And to prime my face, I'm going to be using the primer water from Smashbox, which is again my absolute favorite. I cannot do my makeup without this because it really helps in making my foundation stay for a long time, my base stay for a long time. I'm going to be spraying it all over my face, and I'll be gently patting it dry with my finger. I'll just gently push it out, push it into my skin. And I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light variant, which is again my favorite. It gives a nice glow from within sort of look. I'm actually using a generous amount of layer and applying it all over the face because I want a really, really nice glowy look today for this look. I've really given a nice little massage as well, so my skin is well prepped now. And for foundation, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Skin Finish Foundation in the shade Warm Beige for your reference. Guys, I'll put all the information in the description box below for you guys. So this foundation is an exact match for my skin tone, and this doesn't give a very flat matte finish. It has a very dewy finish, which I want for this look today. So I'm just blending it with the Blue Heaven makeup sponge. This has a very medium coverage, guys, so it looks very, very natural on your skin. And for concealer, I'm using the Benefit Bowing Concealer. I mean, in the shade number 2. This particular concealer shade has got a peach color to it, so it really camouflage any darkness or any hyperpigmentation that you have. So I'm just going to be taking it in the ring finger, and I'll just dab it under the eyes. It instantly brightens the under eyes, guys, so I absolutely love it. But the problem is this tends to crease faster, so I'll set it immediately after applying the concealer. And for cream contour, I'm using the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade medium, and I'll be applying in the usual places where I usually do it, and then blend it with the beauty sponge. Guys, I'll put all the information for you guys in the description box below, so please check it out there. Don't forget the nose as well, guys, to contour, because it looks beautiful when you contour the nose. And I'm going to blend it with the beauty sponge because we don't want any harsh lines or nothing like that. So yeah, and for powder, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light and basically setting my whole face, but mainly concentrating more on the under eyes and the corner of the nose and the loft lines. And to set the cream contour, I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I'm just going to highlight, I'm just going to be contouring the cheeks, jawline, forehead and the nose as well. And for nose contour, I've been loving this brush from the Wet n Wild, guys. I'm really, really liking it. It gives a nice sharp contour since it has small bristles. And for eyebrow, I am using the Wet n Wild eyebrow palette. It has got a darker shade and a lighter shade, because darker shade I'll be putting it in the outer corner, and the lighter shade I'll be putting it in the inner portion of the brow. So first I'm combing my eyebrows with this spoolie and then filling in the gaps that I have. Nothing over the top as usual, just I'm just filling the gaps that I have. And to set my brows, I'm using the Wet n Wild brow gel. It's a colorless variant. This makes your eyebrow stay in a place for a longer time and also makes it look bushy. So I just realized I've been using a lot of Wet n Wild products for today's look. And for eyeshadow, I'm using the Makeup Revolution, this palette. I've got it for free, guys, from Nykaa. I'm not sure. So these are the colors. They look beautiful, and I'm going to be taking the mauvey, pink mauvey color for my transition shade today in the blending brush, and I'm just blending it into the crease. So I'm just diffusing it all over the eyelids as well as the crease. I'm not going to be adding the color at once. I'm just going to be building the color little by little, because that makes the blending process easier. And I'm going to be taking this dark brown shade in another Pro Art brush. Guys, this is a nice flat blending brush, which is my absolute favorite. This blends everything, so it's beautiful. So I'm just putting it below the crease and blending both the colors together. That creates a nice depth for the eye look. And I'm taking the this champagne shade and putting it all over the lid, guys. This is such a gorgeous shade. I'm putting it all over the lid, as I said before. Beautiful, right? I love it. And I'm going to be taking the same brown color that we used for the crease, and I'll put it in the lower lash line and smudge it really well. And for kajal, I've taken the Maybelline brown color kajal. You can even go for black. I don't want to do black because I want a very subtle look. So I'm just smudging it as well, because I like a really nice smudged kajal look. And for eyeliner, again, I'm using brown eyeliner from MAC. If you want to go for black, you can obviously go. But I really wanted to do a brown look today, so I'm using brown liner as well. And for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is a beautiful mascara. It's waterproof, black. So I'm going to be curling my lashes first. So guys, this mascara just gives a good volume. It makes your eyelashes voluminous. I'm going to be applying it on the upper lash line and the lower lashes, upper lashes and the lower lashes as well. So you can see the difference for yourself, guys. With the mascara, my eyes look more lifted. And for blush, I'm using the Nykaa blush in the shade Malibu Barbie. Yeah, I'm going to be applying it on the apples of my cheeks. It's a nice peachy orange color, which absolutely suits this outfit. So whatever is left out, I'm going to be applying it on the nose and the chin as well. So it gives a nice glow from within sort of look, which I absolutely love. And for highlighter, my most favorite highlighter, this is from Flower Beauty. I'm going to be applying it in the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose actually. This highlighter is very blinding, and it has got 3 shades like champagne, yellowy kind and rose gold. So I've used the champagne and yellow today, and oh my god, it's blinding. It's just blinding. You can see it for yourself. And I'm just going to be blending it really well into the skin, guys. And I'm also going to be putting it on the forehead as well, because I like glowy skin forehead. And I'm also going to be taking the same highlighter and I'm going to put it on my collarbone, so that when I go out at night, it'll be really blinding, and I love it so much. So I'm doing that. I'm faking a collarbone. Yes, I'm doing it. And for lip liner, I'm using the PAC lip liner. I'm not a very big fan of this lip liner because it is creamy, but it just smudges, it bleeds, guys. It is not of good quality, so I don't really like, but whatever I had at that moment, I used it. So I'm going to be overlining my lips because I barely have lips. So I need this step very badly every time I do makeup. So I'm just doing it. This is a really nice orangey red color. So I'm doing that first. I'm also going to be applying it in the corners as well to hide any darkness. And for lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa X Masaba Bullet Lipstick in the shade On Fire. And I'm just applying it. Since this is a really moisturizing lipstick, it tends to bleed. So this lip liner helps solve the issue. And guys, such a beautiful color it is. And this, guys, is the finished look. I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and post your comments. I love reading your comments. And also, guys, I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be doing series for a week for Diwali, so please do watch. And yeah, I'll hopefully catch you all guys in my next interesting video. Bye.
आज दा